Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I used this grapevine wreath I had in my stash. I think I got it from Walmart, but I can't remember. And these white dogwood blooms from Dollar General. I cut the branches from the pig and arranged them in a semicircle by sticking the ends into the wreath. I also used some Queen Anne's lace blooms and stuck them randomly around the wreath. I didn't want to glue anything in because I want to be able to change this wreath out with different florals. I used my cow vac to clean my work area. This little vacuum is just so stinking cute. I found this cute little sign in my stash and wanted to incorporate it into my wreath. I made an attempt at a bow and then eventually just gave up. While I tried to decide what else to do with the wreath, I hot glued twine to two sides of the sign. To attach the sign, I glued a picture hanger to the back. The hook will slide over a branch in the wreath to hang. I used a piece of ribbon and glued it to the back of the wreath so it could be hung. I added Dollar Tree fairy lights to help light up this corner of my living room. And just look at how stinking cute this wreath turned out. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!